Welcome back to the Woodshop. Hey guys, what's new? There's a few things that are new with me. It's been a while since I've recorded a video in the shop here. It's been about a month and a half or so. I've been busy with doing some projects off-site. I picked up some side jobs doing some home improvement stuff in my local area, and so haven't been in the shop much. So that's one thing, and that's bringing in some revenue, which I'm really excited about. And that income has allowed me to do something else which I'm really excited about, which is get a new camera set up. So far I've been doing all my videos with this iPhone 7 Plus, and I've had some issues, I'll be honest. There have been times when I've been recording and the video would just freeze up. The audio would continue, but the video was just locked in on one scene. And that's happened a few times without my knowledge, so I'm continuing to do what I'm doing, and meanwhile the camera is not recording on my phone. Another thing that happens with the camera on my iPhone is that it's been overheating, and then it'll stop recording altogether, so I have to wait for it to cool down in order to continue filming. So I'm not going to stop using the iPhone as a camera, because I can use it as a secondary shot or B-roll, that kind of thing. But my primary camera is what I'm going to show you right now. You ready for this? Here we go. The first thing you'll notice is that everything is mounted to the ceiling. If you've seen my other videos, you might have noticed that the camera would shake at times when machines or even me walking around the shop would vibrate the floor and the tripod. This ceiling mount should eliminate that. I just used threaded steel pipe that you can get at any hardware store. It's mounted over the center of my saw so I can get close-ups and overhead views without interfering with my work. And it's modular. I can add or remove lengths of pipe to reach other areas of the shop. The camera is the Sony ZV-E10, which is a very popular camera and in high demand. I waited 3 months to receive it after I ordered because it was on back order. It has a small, lightweight body with a flip-out screen, and the lens is interchangeable. I'm using a dummy battery that will provide continuous power, so I don't have to worry about the battery running out in the middle of a scene. Both the camera and the light are mounted to an articulating arm for very flexible positioning, and the arm is clamped to the steel pipe and can be repositioned anywhere along the length of the pipe. For audio, I have the same wireless lavalier mic that I've been using with my phone. The LED ring light has up to 6 arms that can be added, and both the color temperature and the brightness are adjustable. I added a power outlet to the ceiling so everything can be plugged in, up, and out of the way. I added links in the description to all these things to make it easy for you to find if you want to do something similar, or if you're just curious. And another nice thing about this camera is that I can control it with my iPad from nearby, because I can't really see it has a flip out lens, but it's hard to see from where I'm standing. I decided to reinvest in new video equipment to level up my video production for you, my viewers. I hope this makes your viewing experience more enjoyable. I know it will for me. I'm super excited about this camera and this setup. I tried to make it as versatile as I could while maintaining the precious floor space that I have in this small shop. Make sure you click on subscribe and that notification icon so that you can be notified when I produce new videos. Until next time, my friends, be safe and love each other.